Hello, my people dem. Una happy Sunday. Hope say all man dey fine for a corner. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, I do now. One and only humble Prince Melvin Nation. Yes, my people. I said to read the neighbor street. I said my enter. Okay. Before I want to talk to the people straight, I want to talk say thanks so much for people that they check on me all this while. I'm much more better, as I can see, as I feel the hear my voice now. I don't be much more better, yeah. Thank you so much for those who check on me, for those who commented. Thank you all so much. Thank you. I received your messages. For those who had to contact from behind asking how I'm doing, thank you so much. I'm fine. Yes, my dive shit away, but away bring me for today for this video. I said, hey, Queen Mother, mommy. I say that fire, that fire. This so it never really produce yellow flames. I say mash fire. Put the real that firewood on that. If you want that dry firewood, mommy, tell me. I will send that for you. Me will put that real dry firewood. Then you can little swim me cash fine. I like to do though at the beginning, you want shake small, say you are not there to fight, but I like the way you don't stand up now for your food, then put them in place. Okay, I like the way. Mash fire, mommy. I say dirty bed, nyah bed. I yesterday do that with dry method for you born pikin. So they say na metis they get some person wey be very seductive. Nyah you no be seductive. Bobby no dey, nyash no dey, beauty no dey. See my people abeg, na just leave the video so I talk something. Nyah bet. They say they get for cover your face. Meet some different person, whole metis, romancing, making me think stand up, say pantanto stand first, bam. And then metis get to Tuma, then Nigerian get fine. And they tell you Tuma easy, I say one can we do withdrawal method? Withdrawal method, then chuck away inside you. And then me see, they will ever tell you this thing for biology. Na biology, yes, when they do withdrawal method, we talk about them family planning. Say different way they do family planning. Where if massa here a woman, they feed the tumor, and enter the man say and say he want come. He get for move a patanto from the woman and then come na for outside, so that na another way that they will do a family planning. I be at the line, so they be tell you for school now. So now the withdrawal method the way they use for nyah. So me this game go 2 man and Nigerian girl, and then I use withdrawal method now, send now for inside nyah bed, and then tell me he move water for inside nyah bed, because that one they move na water, he move water inside nyah bed, move that the two water inside nyah bed na, and nyah bed na get cause wakuna. News a la kind. The media, una do threesome that. Una think the one that they do am media, una the counter attribute them for different people there. I never talk am for my show say you people are the one doing these things, and then you come and attribute it to other people then. Today, now every time the coach people they say they do threesome. You first time coach people they say they be lesbian then. They be this one they will media. Finally, their lesbian career come out. You and white lion. We don't say as now they say destroy white lesbian career. Now you not finally don't be the lesbian. You coach people they say they do threesome. Today we didn't say now you will go do threesome before you hang it wakuna. Chai! Am I suffer dey you? Mommy, I say Queen Mother. I say mommy, I was saying you creators. I go burn that fire. Me cash very well. We enter the one for Belgium. The pap brain. Content not there you mommy. See you be very that's like you're the most wicked, evil woman for the 237. So then you take bling bangs in empty skin, so mommy go put them for Facebook. Facebook where if person get free data, if you just open Facebook, free use them. You never even consume like YouTube. You go on Facebook and then one claims that love that pikin. People hated that child. Seriously. From the day when nyah be talk about that thing for a platform, coach that pikin. Anyhow, I go still talk and again to say now that pikin bling bangs, now you carry your hand go it and for day. Since so we don't advise for the media, say come up for that platform. come up for under the people there, you know the year. Nge, in 1 year. Today, I did just see I feel the way I see the way Lady B talk and for a show, so I felt it. I was like, oh, if Lady B be pain for you, it means say you really touch am. If you like my talk and say be pain, other people they talk and mean say if you feel the pain for you, mommy, but now you be put your hand there. If you listen, if you had listened to what we were saying, say mommy, stop auditing them. You know 1 year. Now in that today, now you feel the effect today. Seriously, I be very sorry for you, but anyhow, you need a lot. You need to recover a lot. Because the people they be feel say they feel help you. Now then that they don't spoil all matter for you. If you only end up with YouTube street, see and so, but you don't pass. I be sorry. Pa brain you wicked. You hear no mommy. But anyhow, you see that nyah show that she come media so they are picking it. You see that nyah. Forget what you say. You need to see am. Say don't go log yourself inside room. The shake as soon as they see am. And as soon as one day are picking them, go woke up to one day go the shake that nyah so me put the time to see the touch am. You see no. The evil that you do to other will return back to you in another way. That's it. Well, Sakobo Dubai. Hey, Ngono. Mami, you dey plan something milky and masai picking. So you be frustrated. You be very, very frustrated. When we talk so na be frustrated, na that make all team buga, team for media. You see the way frustration not fine. Sitting away, see your life for media. I hear the talk for media say you dey find person wey bring your mommy for outside media. The person wey bring your mommy for outside media na still the same people wey be dying with them. You don't forget when na crying that they be bring your mommy for outside. Yes. Now crying that they be bring your mommy for outside. That time will be the positive side. The crying that they bring your mommy for outside. And at the same crying that they will go join them, they dying with them. The same person will bring your mommy for outside. You dey really discuss with you every day. But one time I tell you the person. I tell the person. You dey with the person every day. The person, you and the person that know themselves. But they say you know the person that be every day. Nearly every day discuss that person. The person will bring your mommy for outside. Congo Sano every end today. I see they don't chaplay, stay, Grand Cylinder or Benson boss. I say it don't battle. Grand Cylinder, you don't shoot down, they don't go touch you with your left kidney was on side, don't come back with media. The fire to fire, no easy. Now the bomber to bomber for media. I say my people then tomorrow no, we get show. Yes, I cover that analysis, we get show tomorrow. 4 p.m. Cameroon time here. I don't know how on a time day, any my way day, but no. Now just prepare because tomorrow no. Queen Mother days na me I will first start for light that candle we go and light them. I will light that candle for that 2 picking they kill them. Seriously. Nyah bed, you kill your picking them. You come for make that they crush people that picking them where your own know they better. Now you what say, you don't know. You see that wakuna way they wakuna, the facts they born wakuna fine. You don't know the way VC grow. Tomorrow VC grow in a talk or nothing, but I need to talk something kind of thing happen no. But anyhow you crush others them. And if you don't start the skin, if you don't start the show from you, where you first kill your second picking, mommy. Aye! My chief! I beg, brush your mom, my brother. If you need a mouthwash or a toothpaste stock, I'll send someone for you, you know. The only couples the way they go lush for hotel. I don't know that kind of hotel when I go lush for there. I want to talk for my show. They don't forget that hotel when I go lush for there. One of the cheapest hotel they are sure. Even hotel, the cheapest hotel you go there, they even put toothbrush. They get some that small toothpaste so with them some small cartons so they put them for toilet roll. They get some that bathing soap them. So with the other kind of thing, then you go for hotel, you go meet up that one hotel when I go there, no meet that kind of thing. I don't know how far, but any as it be. I just say my dad talk to one of my people then cash na tomorrow for a short time.